Hello JSM Parves followers, I am back with another video. In this video I am going to show you how to send apps and game on WhatsApp. First, download ES File Explorer from your Play Store. It's totally free. Then open the ES File Explorer. Example, I send Shareit apps to my friend. First select the Shareit app and rename it. Change the .apk here and insert the .text. Then OK. Now select the share it app, then select share option, then select WhatsApp and select send to your friend. When the apps is almost sent to your friend must be renamed and save it. Go to your WhatsApp folder. Here is the share it app. Select it, then rename. Now rename this file .apk. Look, here is the share it app is now. Now install it and use it. If you like my video, please leave a comment, leave a share, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay awesome.